pleased to welcome you to the Nautical Cove play area. This is the most recent addition to Chessie's big backyard, and it's an accessible play area like the entire park that is designed so that children of all abilities can play side by side. The Nautical Cove play area is designed for children's ages 2 to 5. And so it's very special in that way because we had the Tiki Village area, which is actually designed for 5 to 12-year-olds. And we're really pleased to round this out so that we have a safe place to play for the little ones as well.
Between the ramps and the tire grounding, like I feel comfortable with her. So whether she's climbing the rope or going down a slide or going onto another like gymnasium area, she can reach it. And if not, then there's another level or another playground for her to go to. So she's always included.
All the grades, all the ramps, all the walkways are totally accessible. They're all built to the right grade standards that allows both, like I said, wheelchair and ambulatory folks to use them. Plus all the features on the playgrounds are all accessible. The water spray park is all accessible. And then some of the special features are, for instance, the rubber surfacing on the playground areas. Instead of using wood mulch, which is a little harder for the wheelchairs to navigate, the rubber surface makes it totally easy for wheelchairs to navigate so that the kids can get to all the play equipment.
Tell them your name.
Hi, my name is Wilma.
Chessie's Big Backyard is basically a Chesapeake Bay themed play area, and we really hope that it will inspire individuals to understand a little more about the Chesapeake Bay watershed and learn a bit about the Chesapeake Bay.
Yeah, we have 2 or 3 more activities planned for Chessie's Big Backyard. One will be a fully inclusive carousel, similar to Clemmy John Tree Park. We have a themed Chessie trail that will go around the park that will basically give parents and children a chance to explore different areas of the park, keeping in style with Chessie's Big Backyard. And then we have some more picnic shelter features planned. We found out that birthday parties and other type of family gatherings have become really popular here at Chessie's Big Backyard.
Another thing that makes Chessie's Big Backyard so special is that it's made possible through a public-private partnership. This is funded beyond the tax dollars and the bond funding because many individuals have sponsored this playground, and that's what's made it possible to be so far above and beyond the standard play area.